Southwestern Kansas, yeah?
Yeah, Southwestern Kansas. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'm recording a video too.
Yeah, look, we're recording videos and showing mine.
Yeah. I'm gonna go out. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, let me come.
Oh!
Go. Me and Weber are best friends, right?
Yeah. Hey, let's go see the street. Let's go see the street. Come on. Oh, the street's flooded.
Yeah, we're risking our lives right now, guys, so. I'm on live? Okay, so guys are not watching now.
Yes, sir. It's raining.
And the one's reconnecting.
Oh, your video froze? You can tell how much it's raining. It's still raining right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna go in the shade. It's...
Yeah, my phone's not working right now.
Oh no.
I am the program 1576, by the way.
And I am Southwestern Kansas EAS, by the way.
I have 9 subscribers in Southwestern Kansas EAS.
Yeah, 54. Guys, subscribe. I'm gonna try to pass them.
I can't upload live now. It has to say reconnect.
Oh. Alright, peace.